To start this problem, we need to look and notice that the numerator of this problem has roots and the denominator has exponents. If we want to do anything with this problem, we need to make the numerator in exponential form. So what I'm going to do is put x to the 8 over 3 because it's power over root. In my denominator, I need to multiply the exponents because it's power to a power. So I'm going to write x to the 4 over 3 because 4 times 1/3 is 4/3. From here, we need to subtract the exponents because we're dividing. So 8/3 minus 4/3 is also 4/3. So right now we've simplified the left side of the equation, and we're going to set it equal to the right side of the equation. So we notice that we now have common bases of x in an equation, which means we can cancel them out, and 4/3 is equal to y. As you were doing this problem, you might have been confused in the beginning as to why this problem says x is greater than 1. Basically, that's just a condition that has to be met for the equation to work, but it's not really impacting anything we do with the problem. So this is our final answer.